Forrest Lewis, LB, representing for Dancehall Bomb. You know the number one, you know Western. Safo, ever the man, Dancehall Bomb.
Alisa, if I represent for Dancehall Bomb. Hear me a stand a Dancehall Bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Outside with them, not for them inside. Hey, Dancehall Bomb, pussy clot to them. Them even bad like the slippers where we use go sitting on the bathroom with. And we say Dancehall Bomb. Hey, outside.
Hey yo, yellow, Dancehall Bomb, bang.
Now, people, in today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Madcobra being featured on the channel where he was arrested in Florence County for 2 pounds of cocaine and a handgun. Now, people, I have a voice note here. I'm going to let you guys listen to the clip and we'll analyze and make our comments afterwards. Listen up.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for Dancehall Bomb. Oh, damn, Dancehall Bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Breaking news for you now in the PD, where a shocking traffic discovery landed this accused drug dealer in jail. Florence County deputies arrested 55-year-old Ewart Brown today after they reportedly found 2 kilos of cocaine and a pistol in his car. He is now awaiting a bond hearing, facing drug trafficking and weapons possession charges.
Now, people, there's also an article here that was published today in the Nation newspaper of Florence County. Now, people, the article reads, a Florida man was arrested on Tuesday after deputies in Florence County pulled him over for a traffic stop and discovered 2 kilos of cocaine in his vehicle. According to the sheriff, 55-year-old Ewart Brown of Fort Lauderdale was arrested Tuesday after deputies initiated a traffic stop on his black BMW SUV for speeding along the I-95 in Florence County. Once deputies had Brown stopped, they had reasonable suspicion of a criminal activity and asked Brown for consent to search his vehicle. During the search, they discovered 2 kilos of cocaine and 9mm Beretta. He now faces charges of trafficking cocaine and possession of a weapon during a violent crime. Brown was taken into custody and is currently being held at the Florence County Detention Center awaiting a bond hearing. Now, people, there you have it. Cobra find himself in a trouble. Him never dare take him music serious. Him decide to just step in the street and make some money. I guess things slow. I don't know why you'd decide to do that at age 55. I don't know if you carry the stuff for your friend. I don't know. You have a firearm at the same time. You know you look up to about 15 to 10 years though, Cobra. You're 55, so you know, say about when you're 70 you come out the road, or 65 maybe if you have a good behavior. Probably if you're going up on a few programs. I doubt if you ever get bail because he's a flight risk, he's a Jamaican. You know, I don't know if you're an American citizen, but you will or may be deported back to Jamaica. Depends on if you have some information, can cooperate or whoever you can give up. But where them stop you, they speed by the I-95. You tell me say you carry so much contraband pan you, you're not even slow down in the slow lane, you speed. And yo, I don't know what happened to you. Probably you did high, I don't know. Or you just listen to Tita pull, I don't know. I don't know if you get set up, but the way them stop you, that's a typical way when somebody tip off the police that somebody's coming along the way. Look out. You say you get a traffic stop, is speeding. You know, you're good, you just go pick up your stuff and them and watch you and just decide to take you down. But Cobra, I tell you, you have got to know some good information to get out of this. You have got to know some whole murder, some unsolved case. I not laugh after you still know, but yeah man, you know, you know, you have to go get yourself out. I don't know how you'll get out, but I God have to take you out of that one, yeah. As me say, about 15 to 10 years, you look on with something like this. Why you couldn't live off of your catalog? Look how much hit song you have out them, you know, you must collect royalties. More and more every day we see some musicians just turn villain, you know. But Cobra, are the things where you preach, you know, man. You know, you need to invite better spirit around here and sing some good motivational clean song, you know. And the devil where you worship just trick you and put you where you don't know you're behind bars. You have to go talk to God, you know, and beg him a blind, you see it. But Cobra, I not rejoice over your situation, but you could have make a smarter choice, you know. Why you never resort to working, you know, opening a business, certain things like that. There's enough other things you could do than out here try push cock up on society people and then act like, yeah, everything good. But to each his own, people. Let's see how the situation turn out. And I won't be definitely praying for the best because, as me say, any person we deal with them stuff there, me not too rate them, you understand? Trust me. Cause them stuff there mash up people, family, mash up people, make people homeless, you know, it's a drug we just destroy humanity. And if you know, say a public figure like Cobra do something like that, definitely does not look good in the eyes of the public. Now people, these artists don't understand, you know. When people find out say all them are artists and I buy drugs and them stuff, they them a look set them up, you know. Police want to hear about them kind of entertainers, they do these things, you know. So artists, you need to learn from your brothers and sisters' mistake. Put yourself in people's shoes before you do certain things. Analyze situation and find out if this is right, you understand? But can't tell no if you do people. Seems as if people just lose them head, they don't remember what happened yesterday. You know, the day we are living in now, people seems to just have a 5-minute brain. Them only can remember what happened 5 minutes ago. But Cobra, hope you come back a road one day, but learn from your mistake. You need some time to reflect on yourself. I not wish you prison, but you need some time to reflect on what you just do. Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please go ahead and like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification posts. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.